darkness and into the fire. Out of the darkness and into the fire. Yesterday's waiting into the hands of fate, while destiny waits into the
The weekend is here, and you're ready for some well-deserved relaxation. The beautifully simple YAS 107 is the perfect companion. Whether you're into the latest movies, the hottest games, or Bluetooth streaming your tunes, the YAS 107 will immerse you in an impressive multi-dimensional entertainment experience. The sleek cabinet design contains two built-in subwoofers to deliver well-balanced bass without the need of an external subwoofer. The ultra-slim profile is equally suited for tabletop or wall mounting. Connection to your TV is a breeze and can be as simple as a single HDMI cable. Streaming music to the YAS 107 wirelessly with Bluetooth is made even better with the Music Enhancer that restores the frequencies lost during digital compression, bringing the life back to your music. Today's audio tracks are rich with a multitude of sound elements. Understanding the dialogue can sometimes be challenging. Clear Voice solves this by bringing the dialogue and narration to the forefront of the presentation. For an immersive 3D sound experience, including the perception of height, DTS Virtual X processing brings out a new level of breadth, depth, and realism to the soundscape without the complexity of a multi-speaker layout. So, get your favorite content ready. Pull up a chair and let a weekend of relaxation begin.
First, pick your soundbar size from 28 inches to 45 inches to match the size of your TV. Next, it's time to pick the components you want. 2.0 soundbars amplify your TV audio. Want booming bass? Add a subwoofer by choosing a 2.1 or 3.1 system. And a 5.1 system includes all of the above, plus 2 satellite speakers for full surround sound.
Opening main doors for secondary deployment.
2 are away.